Whether your tool chest is big or small, you should protect it. Here's an easy way to protect the drawers while also making it more functional and organized. Face it, you have at least one drawer that looks like this. You can pick up a roll of toolbox liner for $10 to $20. I recommend the heavy-duty grade because it gives more padding between tools and painted metal. If your tool chest is new, a little dusting may be sufficient prep. If it's been used, now is a good opportunity to clean out some grime. Some compounds might cause the liner material to break down and add to the mess. Measure the inside of the drawer and grab a good pair of scissors to cut to fit. You don't need to mark the liner. Just use your eye to line up the measurement on a tape measure. Rolling the cut pieces up quickly will make installation a little easier. Do not use any adhesive. It's not necessary. A tight fit is not recommended. Leaving a 1/16 to 1/8 inch gap on a side makes installation much easier. Basically, it should unroll easily from back to front without bunching up on the sides. Leave the long edge at the back of the drawer. This helps hold the liner in place and prevents tools from scratching the back of the drawer when someone slams it shut. For deeper drawers, the installation can be even less precise because you're probably storing bulkier items inside individual cases. The side benefit of this project is you will feel compelled to organize the tools that you put in your box. It also looks nicer, even if your tools and box are cheaper. If the liner breaks down over time or gets covered in shop solutions, it's easy to remove and replace. This is a quick and inexpensive project you can finish. The hardest part is removing the junk from the drawer and reorganizing your previous tools. Have fun!